Hi folks, this is In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda. I'm Bert, and today we're gonna make us a chuck roast in a what do you call this?
Slow cooker.
Well, slow cooker, fast cooker, whatever. Anyway, it's a pressure cooker. That's the word I was trying to find. So I'm gonna spray inside the pan just to make sure that we don't have anything sticking. And I'm gonna just do that real quick. Doesn't take just a little bit on that. That's done. Then we're gonna take this chuck roast, which I'm gonna say this is a pound and a half. For just the two of us, we try not to have a really big piece of meat in this, because that way we may have maybe 2 servings out of it for both of us, but it doesn't last for, don't have a lot of leftovers, is what I'm trying to say. Then we've got 3 potatoes, medium-sized potatoes to go in. We've got 1 medium-sized onion to go in. We've got some carrots that are already cut up, but we're just going to portion those in, put some of those in. We're going to, first off, we'll season our meat with salt and pepper and put it in, and we'll cook the meat. Then we'll put all the other ingredients as far as cut them up and get them ready. And after the meat is cooked, we'll come back.
How long do you cook the meat?
The meat will probably cook for, I don't know, in the pressure cooker, probably, I don't know, 20 to 30 minutes is what I'm guessing, okay? Okay, we're back, and just wanted to let you know that we decided to add the Campbell's cream of mushroom soup in this, and some water, and I'm stirring it now. So we put about a 1/4 cup of water in here, and then once we just get it mixed up, we're going to add the water to the meat. We've got it already in the pan. We got seasoned with salt and pepper. Now it's just a matter of cooking the meat in here. We'll cook the meat and be back soon. You got it on? Hey there. Okay, we're back, guys, and what we're going to do now is I'm releasing the pressure from the pressure cooker, and when that stops, we're going to add the vegetables, and then we're going to start it back up and cook our veggies. And so far as the veggies, I'll get Linda to follow me over wherever she went. Where did she go? Oh, here she is.
I go fast. Okay.
I never know where she's at these days. Anyway, we've got the onions here. We've got some carrots. These are already chopped up. And then we've got potatoes and water. And what we're going to do is just put all that into the pressure cooker and cook them. And soon we'll have our lunch. So, first off, we're going to take the pressure cooker off. Ooh. And you can tell it's hot. You see it's steaming? Boy, it's, yeah.
Okay, how does it look?
You can see the meat is pretty much cooked, but it'll cook even more because I'm going to put all the veggies in with it. And what I'm going to do is drain these potatoes out of the water, because we don't need that much extra water.
So why did you keep them in water?
Keep them in water so that to keep them from turning color, or, okay, you explain it.
Well, it takes some of the gluten out of it.
Takes some of the gluten out.
Yeah,
too.
so they won't turn dark.
And I've got all the carrots and onions here, and I'm just going to pour them in.
And you're using 2 different types of onions.
We got red onions and we got the yellow onions. So now you got it all in there. I think maybe we'll give it a quick stir. We'll just push them down in there. There's plenty of water, so they should be fine. Plenty of broth. And I'm going to put the pressure cooker back on. And the main thing with a pressure cooker is, of course, always to make sure you've got the arrows lined up so that it'll be ready. And that is what gives it the pressure on here. Now we'll just, if you can you see the vegetable?
Okay, that is right here. Wait a minute. Just unplug it. It's
Yeah,
gotta
that's,
reset.
okay, resetting it.
Okay. Right here.
Wait a minute.
It's hard to see. They're not working? Okay, hold on.
Hold on, Ted.
Okay.
I'm going to cook them well done. Okay, now in about 10 minutes we'll be back and we'll have our finished product. Okay, see you in a little bit. Okay folks, we're back and the pressure cooker just went off, so I'm going to release the steam and then we'll open it up, so hold on. Steam release. This is something we have to do. You got to get the steam released before you can actually open the pot up. Anybody knows anything about a pressure cooker, you completely understand what I'm saying. Hope you guys are having a great day today. The sun is shining big time here, and it's cool. It's like in the low 60s here, but at least we got sunshine. We really need some rain though. Hopefully we'll get that maybe this weekend. A little sunshine over here shakes her head, but we need a little rain.
No, I'm saying it's supposed to be 83, 85 Saturday and Sunday with sun. No rain. Not this weekend.
Oh, okay.
Well, of course, they said yesterday it was going to be cloudy all day, and we had a beautiful sunny day.
We take whatever God gives us, right? Right. All right. The steam is slowly subsiding, so just hold on a minute. I've got to let it completely subside before we even think about taking this thing loose. And just remember our troops overseas are in harm's way, and pray for this peace to continue that's going on now. Oh, still hot, but it will come off easy enough. And you can see the finished product when it's showing you. And that's going to be our lunch today. And what I'm going to do is first off get this piece of meat out. There's the meat. And then I'm going to scoop out the veggies.
Wait a minute. Let's stop. We need to get that water out. The liquid out. Hold on.
Well, you need a little.
You need some, but you don't need
You
that
need a
much.
little liquid in there.
Let's use this thing. It's the gravy and all, but it's,
Okay. Here goes. Wait a minute. The expert is taking over, so hold on, folks.
No, but you don't want it so much. Okay, that's good. Look at this.
All right, this gives you
Okay,
an idea. Let me
let me take a picture.
Let me slide the meat. Let me slide the veggies. Okay, the meat's in the center, and you can see the vegetables all around.
Okay. Looks good. I'm
And
hungry.
we've got lunch served, ready to go. And I guess you guys saw me just take this out, so it's extremely hot. So we're not even going to attempt a taste test on this.